downtown here, it's bloody minus 32 Celsius or minus 22 Fahrenheit. Us aliens are freezing our butts. Having trouble keeping enough tires burning just to stay warm. Even had to break out my psychedelic scarf here. It was so cold this morning the Deltic-powered dragster wouldn't fire up. There wasn't any point in phoning a taxi to try to boost that. Not since it's 5,000 cubic inches of two-stroke diesel. Just not gonna turn that over at minus 32. Anyway, got problems with the kids these days. They're all afraid to make a snowman since they seen that Nissan Rogue commercial there with the angry snowmen there throwing snowblowers through glass windows and opening up fire hydrants to make more ice and all that type of thing. Yeah, they're kind of nervous about snowmen these days. I'm trying to explain to them that it's not real, but anyway, you know how kids are. Well, I better get inside before I freeze, so we'll catch you later.